Dampen hair slightly and comb forward. Use the Andis Envy clipper with blade closed and start cutting using the clipper over comb technique around the bottom half of the entire head to remove bulk. Hold the Andis clipper comb horizontally and tip at a 45-degree angle outward from the head to preserve the interior length. Next, use the number 5 attachment comb with the blade closed and cut around the bottom half using a C-stroke motion in the occipital area. Repeat this step slightly lower in the same area with the number 4 attachment comb and blade closed. Then, cut around the nape and sideburns with the number 3 attachment comb with the blade closed with a quick C-stroke motion. Next, using just the tip of the blade of the Andis charm trimmer, carefully trim the excess hair around the ears while maintaining the natural, shaggy finish. Clean up the neck area and finish over the ear on the opposite side. Use the Envy clipper with the blade closed and comb the hair out from the parietal area. Cut using the clipper over finger technique. Keep your fingers pointed down as you cut from the front hairline around the crown to the other side. Repeat the same sectioning and cut through the same area, but this time, use the point cutting technique to remove bulk and add texture. Then, move to the front hairline. Angle the hair downward and cut from the temple to the center using the clipper over finger technique. Repeat on the opposite side. Next, dampen the top of the head. Direct the hair from the back towards the front to preserve length. Then cut using horizontal sections from the front moving back towards the crown. Point cut where needed to add texture and movement. Add product, blow dry, and style as desired.